Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID region and having the gift card code ready. Sign in on the device you'll use because Apple validates region and account status immediately. Once signed in, open the App Store or Settings to redeem. Make sure the gift card currency matches your account region to avoid rejection. If the device asks for a payment method, don't add a card yet. Proceed to redeem the balance first so you can use the card without attaching a payment method. Next, redeem the gift card into your Apple ID balance so purchases draw from it instead of a card. Open the App Store, tap your profile, then redeem gift card or code, type the code or scan the back. Once Apple credits your balance, the system prioritizes that balance for App Store, iTunes, and subscriptions. If a prompt still requests a payment method, choose None if available. Otherwise, complete a small free download to force balance-first charging and then retry purchase settings. Finally, make purchases that will be paid from the redeemed Apple ID balance. Select apps, media, or subscriptions and confirm the charge uses your balance. If a purchase still asks for payment, check your purchase history and account country. Mismatched region is the most common issue. If redemption failed, sign out, restart the device, then sign back in and retry redeeming. If problems persist, contact Apple support with the gift card code and receipt. Explain you want to use balance without adding a payment method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.